Once upon a time, in the not so distant past, there lived a childcare owner who ran her business like the dinosaurs. Until one day she met AI and her marketing went to the future. Look, ninjas, this is a super exciting time right now for lots of businesses that are starting to use what is called AI, and there's a lot of information out there about something called chat gpt. So it has to do with AI, and there's a whole lot of info out there for you to check out more details about what AI is and what chat gpt is. But I wanted to share with you tonight how this amazing new feature can help you in your childcare business, and you can go from the stone age to the future in your marketing for your childcare business. So that's what we're going to talk about tonight. So meet me on the Inside Ninja. You do not want to miss this. See you inside. You got this. Okay, welcome back, Childcare Ninja Nation. Welcome to the Childcare Ninja Boss YouTube channel. I'm Nikki B, your host and the founder of childcareninjas.com, the community that helps childcare owners like yourself master growth, freedom, and purpose in your childcare business so you can live the life that you desire. So today's episode, I'm super excited about. We are going to be talking about AI. For those of you who are not familiar with AI, it is short for artificial intelligence. I'm sure that you have heard something about it in the news at some point recently, but I don't want you to freak out because it's not that kind of video. Okay. There's this new software called Chat GPT, and it has to do with AI. And I am not, that super savvy, computer genius type of person. However, I do like to stay on top of some of the new things that are out to help my childcare business grow, and in turn help you help your childcare business grow. So that is why I wanted to come in here and talk with you a little bit about Chat GPT. For so long, the childcare business has just truly kind of operated like a dinosaur, ancient, stone age type of marketing and things like that. The ones that have really kind of tuned into, newer technologies and things like that tend to be the really, really big childcare businesses that can afford that type of budget. But the wonderful, beautiful thing about this new technology is the fact that you, yes, you, small home childcare business owner, you are able to take advantage of this tech and make your business stand out and grow like no tomorrow. There are no excuses left with this technology. So I wanted to show you just a little bit about how it can help you grow your childcare business in 2023. Because let's be real, if this is going to be your year, you are going to have to level up, Childcare Ninja. Okay? All right. So that's a little bit about what AI is. Now, how it can transform your childcare business in your marketing. When you go into Chat GPT, and I'm using this one because there are other softwares that use this technology out there, but Chat GPT is open and free. So it's great for someone who may not really know how to maneuver around through it really yet, but they want to try it out and they want to, start to kind of level up their business. And so that's great for the person that is in that position. And that's why I'm sharing the Chat GPT with you. So we know that we've been told that chat bots and things like that are great to have. And that is one way that you can leverage this type of tech in your childcare business. So when someone goes to your website or your social media page, and maybe they have a general question that is hey, what are your hours? Or what is your curriculum? Things like that. Things that get asked over and over again that, you could have to, in the old days, pick up the phone or send out an email to explain all that, or you could just simply have a chat bot that is on your website and it's set up and it answers those questions automatically in no time. That is saving you time. You are buying your time back to be able to do what you can do or need to do to grow your childcare business in other areas. So that's one way that you are seeing this type of technology already. But what I wanted to do was share with you how you can really take your marketing to the next level by using some of this software. So I'm going to jump over and share my screen with you so that you can see how this Chat GPT software can help you create your marketing materials and things like that in absolutely no time. Okay, so over here in Chat GPT, this is what you want to do is go to chat.openai.com, and I will have the link down in the description for you so you can click on that and check it out. So when you first go in, of course, you'll have to sign up and do all the things that you always have to do whenever you go to a new software, right? But then once you do that, you can come in here and it gives you a little space. You click on new chat, and there's a little box down here in the bottom. And what you can do is simply go in here and ask it to create something. So I can come in and say, create okay, hold on. I can say, create a 50-word email. Whoops, I can't spell today. That targets parents to sign up for a tour of our new childcare facility. There we go. And just in a few seconds, it has a quick email that is 50 words or less that says, discover the newest and most innovative childcare facility in town. Come see for yourself with a complimentary tour. Sign up now to reserve your spot and experience what sets us apart from the rest. Email us today. Super simple. All I did was type in there what I wanted to actually create, and then it creates it for me in just seconds. And then you can take this, copy it over, put it in your email, change it up a little bit to make it feel like you and like your business and all the benefits that come from your business, because like I said, you are one of a kind, right? So you do that and bam, you have an email in seconds that you can send out to parents or potential parents that are on maybe your wait list that you already have, and then they can email you back and simply get on the list, schedule their appointment, come and have the tour. It is that simple. You can create brochures, you can create all kinds of marketing material. You can actually, and this is one that I did earlier, let me show you. So I asked it to create a parent policy handbook for a home childcare business. And in just seconds, not even minutes, seconds, it created a parent policy handbook that has an introduction, and then it gives a few pointers, has enrollment, a few pointers, fees, drop off and pick up, absences, behavior, health and safety, communication, privacy, all of these things, and then a conclusion. So this actually gave an entire outline for you to create. You could take this information, you could copy and paste it, and then begin to fill out everything that actually applies to your childcare center and your setting. But it is the starting ground for you, and you don't have to be thinking about, oh my gosh, what do I put in here? What did I miss? What's going to work? What's not going to work? It gives you an outline or a skeleton of what you can put into the average parent policy handbook for a childcare business. This software, this technology is amazing, and it helps you, save so much time. You can create social media posts, you can create all kinds of things. So I'm just super excited about all of the potential that we have as childcare business owners to actually take our marketing to a whole new level in our businesses. And this is amazing. So I do want to encourage you, do not shy away. Don't be scared. People talk AI and they talk all this scientific craziness and things like that. We're not there yet anyway. So go ahead, check it out, see how this can really improve your childcare business and begin to save you time and save you money, because now you also do not have to necessarily hire someone to create these things. You can go in here, type in what you need, and AI spits it out for you. Chat GPT spits it out for you, and then you take it and tweak it. Save so much time, save so much money, and really begin to level up, right? That's what it's all about in 2023. So I challenge you to check it out. Like I said, the link will be down below in the description. So, okay, Childcare Ninja Nation, I told you I'm super excited about this tech, and I'm just so overjoyed to see where it's going to take us as childcare business owners. So it's so simple, and I'm excited. So I would love to know what you think about this whole AI technology, all of this Chat GPT and other software that is out there that is using this tech. I really want to know what you think, and if you believe that it will really help childcare businesses kind of come into the future and stop living in the whole dinosaur age with our marketing and other things. So let me know down below in the comment section what you think about all of this technology that is going on, and if you believe that it will really help us as childcare business owners move to the next level in our businesses. So thanks for joining me today. I hope that you found value in this video, and I hope that you will, like I said down below, let me know what you think about all of this tech, and visit us at childcareninjas.com over on the website. And don't forget, if you have not checked out the Childcare Ninjas by Nikki B app over on the Apple App Store, go check it out. Download it. It's a free download, and find out all of the amazing things that you can do to grow your business, get your freedom inside of your childcare business, and find your purpose. So go ahead, check that out. And hey, brand new, we have a merch shop, so you can go and grab all your Childcare Ninja gear over there. And yeah, stay connected. All right. Okay, that's it for today, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you have not already subscribed, make sure you do that down below. Remember, Ninja, you got this. I'll see you next time.